My name is Nathan Benjamin. I'm from Kerala, Kochi. I came to the Forklift Academy of India by searching through the internet, and I found out that they have a training course. So I decided to take this training course because we need this training course for our license. So they provided the training at the very best level, and we gained a lot of experience from this. And the thing is, on the first day, it was a 6 day workshop. So on the first day, they trained us with the theory. They explained to us the basic concept of the forklift, that is the balance and the center of gravity and everything. And that is a good plus point because we need to use it wherever we go, especially in the profession. So after that, they started the practical training, and we were asked to stack and destack the loads, and it was a much better experience because at first we were not confident of what we could do, but they provided us the best. They gave us the best training they could, and in the end we stacked and turned around the forklift, and we also stacked and destacked 3 loads, which is a really great plus point. And yes, we are now ready for gaining job experience right now, because this experience will give us a lot of confidence. So I would suggest more people to come and learn in the Forklift Academy of India, and it is a really great plus point they will have in their job experience. Thank you.